Hi, amazing people. Spend a day with me. So I slept quite early yesterday. Then I wake up to check the class I'm having today, and behold, here today was declared lecture free day. So I got to prepare myself and know what to actually do with my day, because I can't just allow today to waste like that. Then I arrange everything. I love my mistake, getting myself prepared to make a dress. Yeah, that is what you see me doing. Then after I was done, then I went ahead to arrange my bed, which is very, very important. I don't want in any situation like where customer walked in and see my room unkept. No, I don't want it, because I saw from home, I have to keep it very, very clean. Then I arrange my room. One thing I love about working in a hotel is how I normally wanted rooms to be. Very, very important. I don't want in a situation when customer walked in and started insulting me. Then after I was done, it's time to work. Then I bring out the chantillies I got from the market the other day. It looks so beautiful. I love this chantillies. Yeah, I love it so much. Then this is a fashion fabric I'm going to work with. This is a fashion fabric I'm going to work with. Then I'm going to put this chantillies. It's so I know this style is going to be given. Then it's time to cut. I try to place my phone to cut more. It seems like it's not working. I try so many process. I keep it on my reading table. It's like everything is not showing. Then I keep it on top chair, and at this point I think it's very, very far away from me. Yeah, it's very, very far away from me. So I was not okay with it. So I try to place it again on top that reading table, try to keep some things and place it. I even went ahead to remove my pouch. Imagine the kind of risk where they put my phone. Then I tried. I tried to place it down, put a lot of things just to hold the phone, but it seems like it's not working. Then I give up. I went behind the camera to cut my skirt. Yeah, you can actually see my skirt. I've went ahead to cut the skirt part of the dress. The place that is longer is the back, because the back is going to have a zip. So that one that I placed on top is the front part of the skirt. Yeah, it's the front part of the skirt. This is what I do behind the camera. Then I'm trying to explain it. Then yeah, this is the zipper actually. Then here, if you can see that the front part is shorter than the back, that means the back is going to have a dart, why the front is not going to have that, because of the style I'm going to. So I don't want it to have that at the front, so it's only the back that is going to have that. That is why the front is shorter than the back part of this skirt. Then I went ahead to cut the upper part of the dress. Actually, this style is Queen Anne, so I cut the upper part of the dress, and the front and the back part. That is what I went ahead to do behind the camera. So I cut this one. Then I went ahead to cut the front and the back. Then I went ahead to cut the lining for the skirt and the lining for the upper part. That is what I did behind the camera. So I really wish I record everything. Then behold is the dress. Imagine I take you through the process of making this dress. At least you will learn a new things today, but gadgets will not allow me to do that. I hope I got it before the end of this month, because I'm really, really working on that. So thank you so much if you watch it to this very end. Thank you for being here with me. I know with this small family I have, I'm going to do better. Bye. See you.